European Union greenhouse gas emissions fell almost 2% between 2012 and 2013, putting the EU very close to its 2020 reduction target, according to new analysis from the European Environment Agency.
Our analysis shows that greenhouse gas emissions in Europe have been decreasing for a number of years, and they also decreased in the last year. So overall, the EU is doing well on reducing emissions, and it's very close to its 2020 targets, which is to reduce greenhouse gas emissions by 20% compared to 1990 levels. At the same time, the analysis shows that we have also been developing renewables, so we are on track to achieve also the target for 2020, which is to have 20% of renewables in our energy consumption. And finally, the report also says that we are reducing energy consumption. So here again, we are considering that the EU is on track to improve its energy efficiency and to achieve its target for 2020.
There are several factors that help to explain the positive trend shown in the recently released figures.
Well, we can say that there are a number of reasons for this development, for this progress that has been achieved so far. So some of these reasons are the result of the policies that we've been putting in place, implementing. For example, policies promoting the development of renewable energy, policies to improve the energy efficiency, so to reduce our energy consumption. And there are other factors that, of course, have played a role, especially in the recent years. The economic recession had an impact on economic activity, on energy demand, and therefore this also has contributed to driving our emissions and our energy consumption down.
Looking beyond 2020, there are more ambitious emission targets further down the line for the EU, posing additional challenges for the Union and its individual members.
When we look at the longer-term perspective, the EU has very recently adopted new targets for 2030, 40% reduction in greenhouse gases, 20% at least of renewables in our consumption, and improving energy efficiency by also at least 27%. And these are milestones to a longer-term objective, which is to fully decarbonize our energy system and to have emission reductions reduced by more than 80% compared to 1990. So that's a very ambitious challenge that we have ahead of us. And to meet this challenge, we need to implement more policies. We need to be more ambitious in the policies we design and in the policies we implement.